Hey guys, so today we will be making a super cute and adorable hair accessory for Halloween. And this accessory can be used for children or even for pets. What you will need, I have the Bowdabra bow maker here. I have 2 pieces of the thick black ribbon, 22 inches long, and this ribbon is 2 1/4 inches wide. And then I have glitter orange, glitter purple, and then a solid white. These are all 5/8 inches wide, and I have cut them all into 34-inch long pieces. I also have 2 pieces of 3/8 inch width ribbon, 4 inches long. And then I have a nice amount of bow wire and a hair clip. You'll also need scissors, a lighter if you want to finish off any frayed edges, and a hot glue gun. The colors you want to use, completely up to you. These are just the colors I chose, but if you want to use a different color scheme, you can definitely go for that. Alright, let's get started. So the first thing you're going to do is fold your bow wire in half and place it down. The amount is up to you. I like to have a large amount just because of the taller Bowdabra. You want to have enough to be able to hook it at the end. And the first thing we're going to do, take one of our thick pieces and we're going to scrunch it. And I like to have a uniform scrunch, so I fold it in half, bring the front and the back up, just like that, and place it down. And normally I would just make a loop and scrunch this in and place it down, which you can definitely still do that. But if you want an extra twist, you're going to twist 1 time, twist 2 times, and then scrunch it and place it down. So now you're going to take the center, and you could fold it to find the exact center. You're going to just like estimate the center and scrunch it there, just like that, and then place it down. You can use your wand to help scrunch it all together. And let me show you what you can do. Just like fold it so that you have a crease. And we're going to do the exact same thing again. Scrunch it, place it down, and we're going to twist it once, twist it twice, and then scrunch it, just like we did the other side. Then you're going to find your center and scrunch it. Then you're going to scrunch it again, and while you have your wand in place, this is when you're able to kind of maneuver a little bit more. That's what it's looking like so far. Now you can make this in several different colors, and this would be an adorable bow by itself, but we're going to keep going. Next we are going to use the orange, and what I'm going to do is fold it in half, make a crease, and then fold it in thirds, just like that. You see? Now I'm going to take the center crease and I'm going to scrunch it. And it's harder to scrunch the smaller ribbon, but just try your best. I'm going to place it down. I'm going to do the exact same thing. Alright, so there's the orange. Next I'm going to place the white. And finally the purple. Just like that. And if you notice, I have the orange at a diagonal and the purple at a diagonal, and I have the white horizontally. Alright, now we are going to start making our loops. So be careful, because the more ribbon you place, the harder it is to keep still. We are first going to bring this orange and make a loop right where the fold is. And we are going to scrunch it. just like that. And do the same with the orange down here. You see there's the crease, and we are going to scrunch it. I love using the wand, very helpful. And it's also a little more difficult because we're using glitter ribbon. The easiest ribbon to use is gross grain ribbon. But for this project, the glitter is just so cute. Now, if you'd like, you could have cut the ribbon a little bit shorter and just had these 2 loops of each color, but I wanted to add an extra loop. That's why mine is extra long. So we're going to do the same thing one more time. And then before you loop the last time, you don't want the back side of the ribbon to show, so you want to twist it before looping it through again. Let me show you. And you could actually twist it once you place it down if you'd like. Going to twist it and then continue on. And lastly, the purple. We do want to twist and then place it down. And again, use your wand so that you're able to manipulate it a little bit more. I want to make sure all the colors are mixed and mesh well together. So make sure you always have the wand in place whenever you are manipulating it, because you don't want everything to just pop loose. That looks pretty good to me. Again, if you want more colors, more pieces, more whatever, go for it. Give it a nice scrunch. Careful. I'm going to take my bow wire and I'm going to put the 2 open ends inside of the loop. Just like that. And I'm still going to hold this in place and pull it really, really tight. Because I want it as tight as I can make it so that it doesn't come loose. Then pull it off of the Bowdabra, and I like to give it another tug and then open it and tug it, and then check and make sure I like how everything is one final time before I tie it together. I want a little more orange to show on this side. Okay, that looks good. So I'm going to turn it over, tie it in a knot. I like to tie it several times just for extra security. And once more. Alright, and then cut off the excess. That's what it's looking like. Take your 4-inch piece, tie it in a loose knot, and it's going to go right in the center. We're just going to use hot glue to glue this in place. And sometimes if you have a pretty thick bow, This piece will need to be longer than 4 inches. I think this barely makes it. Yeah, so take that into account. The final thing I'm going to do, which you can also do this at the beginning if you'd like, I'm going to ribbon cut this part just like that. Again, you don't have to do this part if you choose not to. So again, fold it in half. The open ends at the bottom, the fold at the top, and cut at a diagonal. Just like that. So cute. So this is what it's looking like. Last thing we are going to do is the clip. So for the clip you need a 4-inch piece and a clip. You're going to take your hot glue gun, glue the incline, place it down right there, and then flip it over, hot glue the bottom, and place it down just like that. And last, you're going to hot glue right in there and place it down. Use scissors if you can't reach all the way in there. Just like that. And we are going to hot glue this to the back of the bow. Turn it over and glue it right there. I like to make sure it's nice and sturdy. Just like that. And you have an adorable, huge, poofy, girly hair bow, perfect for Halloween. Again, this is good as a child accessory or even pets. Whatever you choose. Modify, change the colors, the size, whatever you'd like. Just have fun with it. This bow is about 7.5–8 inches. It's so cute and adorable. Perfect for Halloween.